The Microsoft Cloud is ready for any device. You can be on iOS or Android or Windows Phone and use the cloud for your application state, for your notification, and as a backend for every application that you build across those devices. We are also a cloud that supports any OS on any container technology. So we support both Linux and Windows Server. This is something that I want to just make sure I drill home. Microsoft loves Linux. 20% of Windows, 20% of Azure is already Linux. And we will have always first-class support for Linux distros. In fact, Scott's going to talk more about some additional container technology as well as new distros that we will get supported on Azure. But this is something that I want to make sure that everyone recognizes that this is not some new news. This is, in fact, today true, and we only plan to take that to the next level going forward. It also is the case that we support all data stacks. Every open source distribution of things like Cassandra or Hadoop or Mongo, we have all of these data stacks available on top of Azure today for developers and businesses to be able to take advantage of. Any developer using any language on any framework can bring their code, use those frameworks on Azure. Today we have great support obviously for .NET, for Java, which is officially supported by Oracle. We're the only public cloud that they support, and PHP, Python, and Node.js. We are not building our hyperscale cloud in Azure in isolation. We are building it to compose well with other clouds. That's one of the core architectural tenets for us, which is how do we make sure that there are no limits to what Azure can be, how Azure can be used when it comes to being able to support these other clouds.